primarily over on Gold Street where all our vehicular traffic is. We really need people to be mindful of the vehicles that are backing in and out of the site. We have flagmen directing them for that reason, but some pedestrians come between our flagman and the vehicle, which is extremely dangerous for them because the operators can't see them as they back up. We actually have 2 security guards that stand on the north side of Gold Street, and their primary function is we have a laydown, what we call a laydown area in construction across Gold Street in that empty lot. We pick up a lot of material and hoist it over to the job site. The primary function of those security guards is to pull cords across the street and stop all pedestrians as we lift so nobody walks underneath a load. So a lot of people walk straight through that road not realizing that they have to stay on the sidewalks, and they continue on the road. So we just ask for everyone's cooperation if they could please stay on the sidewalks and again listen to the security guards. Things that they could look for, sometimes depending on what type of activity is happening outside the site, there could be uneven ground, which most companies do their best to try to protect pedestrians from by wood or painting the grounds that are uneven. But again, the primary concern is traffic in and out of the job site. Another thing that I'd like to add is that a lot of people walk through the city obviously with mobile phones, either texting or listening to their iPods, and they aren't particularly paying attention to what's going on around them. As a result of that, there have been a lot of pedestrian fatalities, not just with construction, but with streetcars or other normal traffic. It is really important to walk around this city as it is very busy and be aware of what's going on around you. So this area is particularly busy. This used to be a throughway on Gold Street that would drive through all the way, which is closed now, just to the east of us. A lot of drivers don't realize that it's closed, so not only do we have the traffic from the business next door and our construction traffic, we also have motorists trying to make their way through, and they have to stop and U-turn. So on days where we have a very busy day on our construction site, it can become very congested here. You mix that with the pedestrians that are trying to walk through to and from Yonge Street, it causes a very busy and dangerous situation. There's a loading dock behind me which is nothing to do with us, but it's our neighbors. And they have a very busy loading dock here. A lot of pedestrians walk behind them, and especially on this side where we have flagged people, they don't on the other side. Once you cross in behind a vehicle such as a dump truck, they can only see what's happening on the sides of the truck, but they can't see what's happening directly behind them, and that's why flagmen are so important. And it's really important to listen to the direction of the people who are working outside of the site, because they're not there for our safety, they're there for the pedestrian safety. This project is scheduled to be completed in October of 2014.